Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm doing my Boxycharm for the month of April. There's a truck. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box for $25, I think. And you get makeup, skincare, beauty products, you get it all. And I like to try it on for you guys. This truck outside parked right in front of my apartment. It is bright and early on a Saturday morning and I am bringing you my Boxycharm so I can get ready for the day. It's an interesting box. Is it my favorite? Is it good? Is it bad? You will see. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back here on the channel. And if you want a Boxycharm of your own, there's a link in the description. It is not affiliated, but if you click my link, I'll get the Boxycharm points to spend on their website. Or you can just Google Boxycharm and pick up your own. Without further ado, let's get started. My handy dandy card says this month is Sweet Treats. Very interesting. So the first thing in the box is this. It is this Farmacy Holy Grail Ultra Hydrating Face Oil, which I'm dry, so I could always use some hydration. Oh, it's cute. It's this cute little bottle. Let's read what it says. A fast absorbing, non-comedogenic, I'll put it right here. How do you pronounce this word? Face oil that delivers intense hydration and helps smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Oh, it is $48. All right, so I have my mirror. I'm gonna just put these on as like my primer, my base to get ready for the rest of my makeup. I get nervous with oils because I hate how they could feel. I'm putting a very tiny bit. It said it delivers intense moisture. It smooths fine lines and wrinkles. Oh. It smells like honey, which I love. A lot of their stuff does. It is very hydrating, but it doesn't feel, I mean, don't get me wrong, it feels like an oil, but it doesn't feel like, this feels thick. Like it feels like gooey in a way. I really don't know how to describe how this feels. Like it doesn't feel like a normal oil that I'm used to using. It feels very nice. Smells very nice. I love how it's making my skin feel like, but my hands are so oily. All right, I'm gonna let this sink into my skin and we'll be back for the next product in just a few moments. All right, I let that sit and sink into my skin and my skin feels really hydrated. It feels plump, but I still slightly feel it. So let's just move on. The next thing is a Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. So it's the second thing with hyaluronic acid in it, which is good for dry skin. So I'm not mad about it. However, I do get nervous when I get complexion products because they send it to me. You know, I don't get to pick what shades. So let's read. Tinted moisturizer, light to medium coverage, formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skincare benefits and lightweight coverage with a glowy look. Here's the moment of truth. Let's see what color this actually is going to be. Okay.
2,000 years later.
It's not coming out. Like I can't use this. Look at the color. Okay, so I quite honestly cannot put that on my skin. That's why I get nervous with complexion products in my Boxycharm, because I can't pick the color, the shade, or anything. And this is literally for someone with tan skin. I am very fair complected. That sucks. That's the bad thing about, you know, and it literally won't come out of the tube. Like you have to, total fail. And this is a $35 product. So I'm pissed. This is a really bad box, guys. Really bad. The next thing, it is the Flirtatious Looks Cosmetics Monarch Eyelashes. Hate fake eyelashes. I just can't wear them. Well, that's cool that it came with like a little applicator and they feel very nice. Like they don't feel like cheap at all. They like I'm never gonna wear these. I mean, this is an awful box. Let's just have some fun here, right? I don't even know how to put these on. Wow. You know, I think they would look really nice if I could get them on correctly. Do you like my eyelashes? Can you give me advice on them?
They look a little off center.
You don't like?
They're looking a little off center.
What's wrong with them?
They're not correct.
Which one?
Both of them. Are you trying to trick me?
You don't like my...
You doll eyelashes?
Oh! You don't like my eyelashes? Can you tell me I'm pretty?
You're very pretty.
Thank you.
Oh my god, why don't you put them on right?
I think I look nice. You know, I'm gonna put these aside. It may be an excuse, but I don't wear contacts. I don't really like them. So I wear glasses, and I can't apply things like fake lashes with my glasses on. So I can do my bad eye fine because my good eye is open. But then when it comes to doing my good eye and my bad eye's open, like I can't see. So it is very difficult for me to do. We'll put these aside, and either I'll try to play with them in the future, or I'll give them to my sister along with the tinted moisturizer. That is clearly for people with a darker complexion than me. You know, I'm not going to be able to try anything on in this box. The next thing, let's just move on. The next thing is this Eloise body shimmer. This non-sticky lightweight luminizer can be applied all over the face and body for buildable glow. Okay, I mean, it is just a standard like shimmer. Oh, it's actually very nice. It's not too intense like it looks like it would be. I don't know if you can see that, but it just gives like a great sheen. I wonder if I can wear this under makeup. If I can wear this as like a primer, that'd be great. But we have a pool in our apartment complex, and I will be busting this bad boy out to go to the pool this summer. Honestly, I'm not even gonna try this on. This is the last thing in the box. It is from Kinder Beauty. It's a palette, includes 3 universally flattering highlighters and 1 marble highlighter. Talc-free buttery formula practically melts into the skin, granting a beautiful luminous look. Ew. Look at the marble shade. It looks like it's got mold in it. When you mix it all together, it gets like nasty looking. Here's the swatch though. Swatch looks beautiful, but it is nothing like I'd imagine it to be. It's like super icy. This feels so dry. I've had worse highlighters, that's for sure. Okay, so I've had worse highlighters, that's for sure, but I'm not even gonna put this on because I haven't even had to do any complexion products other than my face oil, which I like. That is it for my box this month. This was really bad. I got a couple boxes like this in the past, and I was considering canceling my subscription for a long time. I just felt like I didn't need it. I was getting products I wasn't using, and then it got really good for a while. Like I was getting Natasha Denona, I was getting eyeshadow palettes left and right. It got really good. So I thought, hey, I'll keep it because it's getting better. And then I get this box, and I'm like, there's 1 out of 5 products that I like, and they give me stuff that doesn't match my skin complexion, which I put on there light fair. I mean, this is okay. I don't really love it. Like I'm not in love with that. I can't use the skin tint. I don't like the fake eyelashes, and this just feels like kids makeup. I'm actually kind of mad. So I've heard in the past that a lot of brands that are featured in Boxycharm are like their overflow products, right? Products that the brand has extra of or is trying to get rid of, or trying to cut down their stock or whatever, and this very much feels like that. It very much feels like this might be the only product that like mattered, right? They asked for that, and they're like, oh, we need a 5th item for this box, throw in this little eye palette set, or oh, we want to give these complexion things out, but we ran out of the light shades. Just, that's fine, throw the medium in there. Like it just feels like a mishmash box of things I'm not going to use. Like I'd rather not have this stuff taking up space in my room, my collection. I just moved into a very small area. I'd rather just not have these. They're going to get a nice home. Like this will match I just threw it. That'll match my sister perfectly, but like it's weird, okay? So clearly I did not enjoy this month's Boxycharm. That is it for this video, everyone. I want to know your comments down below. What do you think? What are your opinions on this? Does this look like a random a random bunch of crap that they just were trying to get rid of? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if you get Boxycharm and what you got, because this is a really bad month, and I want to know if other people are experiencing the same thing. But that is it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. Leave me a comment down below. Tell me about all your Boxycharm drama, your Boxycharm loves, your hates. Talk to me about Boxycharm in the comments down below, and make sure you come back for future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.